Hi, we're here in Lebanon again. We're giving out warm food for iftar time for the people, refugees of Syria. For less than £1.50 a meal, we're feeding 600 people here at this camp. There's over 95 different families here at this camp. Where's your donations at? £1.50. We'd like you to donate towards us, please, and help us make a difference to these camps every day. Thank you very much.
Allahu, 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 Allah. Allahu, 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 Allah. Allahu, 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 Allah. Allahu, 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 Allah. As I look to nature's beauty, dazzled am I, knowing everything calls on you, the Lord Most High.
الله الذي يهدينا جميعا، الله الذي نعتز به جميعا.
الله